Hello everyone, welcome to the Artificial Intelligence Lab tutorial. This is Pooja, working as Assistant Professor in the Department CSE AML at Rajiv Institute of Technology, Hassan.
Welcome to the video. The fourth program is implement AO star search algorithm. AO star algorithm is extension of A star search algorithm, which is designed for problem involving and both and NAND or path. They are commonly found in the planning and problem solving context. Unlike standard A star, that deals with simple pathfinding, AO star algorithm is used in handling more complex problem with multiple possible paths and dependencies. This AO star particularly used in scenario where discussion lead to multiple possible subproblem and goal is to find solution that satisfies all the requirements. It is commonly applied in game, AI automated planning and other domain where a solution met involved multiple interdependent steps. So here key concept are two heap and node and or node, and nodes represent a situation where all child nodes must be satisfied to consider the and node is solved. So the captured node that must be completed simultaneously, whereas R nodes represent a situation where at least one of the child node must be satisfied to consider the R node is solved. They captured choice or alternatives. The cost function is a star search algorithm, whereas f of x of n leads to g of n plus h of n. X of n is the total estimate cost of the path node through n, and g of n is the cost that path from start node to the current node n, and h of n is the heuristic estimation of the cost from current node n to the goal node. Algorithm steps goes like this. In the initialization, we start with initial node representing the problem to be solved. Then maintain an open list of nodes who explore and close list of nodes that usually evaluated. Next, we need to select a node from the open list with a closest f of n, uh, closest f of n value, and we check whether n is goal node. If so, then we reconstruct the solution path. Otherwise, we need to expand the node using or node or a or and node, where R node evaluate each child node. The goal is to find at least one child that can be solved. The R node in case of and node evaluate each node. So here goal node is solved all the child nodes to solve and node. Next, the cost is calculated from the each node based on the cost to reach the parent node and heuristic estimates. Next one, move to close list. Once all the nodes are visited, we can reconstruct the path from goal node to start node. For example, if we imagine a scenario where we need to plan a trip involved in several activities such as visiting museum and dining at restaurants, or node could represent chosen between different museum stores. Where hand nodes B represents the requirement to complete all the planned activities within trip. When compared to A star algorithm, the advantage of AO star algorithm is flexible, which is it is an handled both sequential and alternative and or paths, making it suitable for wide range of planning problem and solve complex. Here AO star is effective for problem with multiple interdependent task or decision. distance which is used to here is the problem. Here is a program steps. Different distance which is used Euclidean distance. This is the output of AO star algorithm. The path evaluated from the start node to goal node.